Howdy, I'm Randy. This is Lisa, and we're your memory architects at Getaway Travel.
Today we're here to talk to you about something we know quite a bit about, and that's traveling from Houston to Cancun.
That's right. We've had countless amazing experiences flying to Cancun from Houston, and today we want to share our insights and expertise with you.
We've explored the beautiful beaches, vibrant culture, and incredible experiences that Cancun has to offer.
And we've learned that getting there is just the start of the adventure. So let's dive into some tips, tricks that makes your trip unforgettable.
Okay, so first let's talk about the airline. We're flying from Houston to Cancun. We want a hassle-free experience. That's why we recommend United Airlines.
Houston is a hub for United, which means you get frequent direct flights, comfortable seats, and excellent in-flight service.
Plus, if you're a frequent flyer, their mileage program can make your future trips even more rewarding.
But it's not just about the airline. You also need to pick the right days to travel. If you want to avoid the crowds, consider flying on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. They're often less crowded and can save you time and money.
And of course, don't forget to book your flights early to secure the best seats.
Now, when it comes to packing, think about sunscreen, insect repellent, comfortable clothing, and a beach bag for convenience.
And of course, ensure you have all your travel documents in order. You'll need a valid passport and any necessary visas, depending on where your passport was issued.
When it comes to accommodations, that's where we come in at Getaway Travel. We specialize in creating unforgettable experiences.
We can help you find the perfect resort to match your preferences and budget. Whether it's a luxurious beachfront escape or a cozy boutique hotel, we've got you covered.
Lastly, consider the best time to visit Cancun to avoid seasonal changes. We want to make sure your trip is as comfortable and as memorable as it can be.
So, there you have it. From choosing your preferred airline, to finding the best days to travel, to packing the right essentials, and booking your perfect accommodation with us to Getaway Travel.
We're here to help you create the Cancun getaway of your dreams.
So, if you're planning your trip from Houston to Cancun, remember, we've been there. We know the ins and outs, and we'd love to make your trip fantastic.
Reach out to us at Getaway Travel and let us start planning your unforgettable Cancun experience. And don't miss out on any of the adventures of a lifetime.
And now, see how to get through the Cancun airport without any issues.